jungle, listen what I'm searching for. When I just think I can hold it again. Oh my friend, when I just a little dreaming for the crystal should I bury in my soul? It's time, just let it go.
Lastly, this year's class valedictorian from Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, Daisy Lynette I. Dizon, summa cum laude. Presents Lister, first and second semester, Best in Practical, Best Research Project Award, Best Research Poster Award, Best Presenter Award, Best Research Paper. Factors affecting senior high school students' motivation to consider hospitality management as program choice at the Sensei Feliciano College Foundation. Summa cum laude. Class of 2026 from Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, Ms. Daisy Lynette I. Dizon, summa cum laude.
Good day, everyone. To our School Vice President of Administration, Attorney Maria Mercedes F. Tinio. To our OIC Vice President for Academic Affairs, Ms. Michelle B. Dima. To all deans, faculty members, proud parents, fellow graduates, and distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant day to everyone. It is great honor and privilege to stand before you today as your valedictorian. I still remember the day my older sister graduated from senior high school as salutatorian. I saw the pride in my mother's eyes. A quiet, overwhelming kind of joy that needed no words. And I sat there in the ocean. I whispered a simple prayer, Lord, I hope one day it will be me too. In time, the prayer was answered. When I reached that same milestone, I stood on that stage, no longer just a hopeful observer, but a salutatorian. Then came 2022. My sister graduated from college as magna cum laude and delivered the valedictorian address. Once again, I witnessed the same pride in my mother's eyes. And once again, I prayed, Lord, one day, let me stand there too. Give me the strength, the discipline, and the opportunity, and I will do the rest. From a distance, it may have seemed effortless, but the truth is, there was nothing easy about the journey. In my first year of college, reality began to unfold. Our classroom slowly grew quieter as fewer students remained. Pakonti na kami ng pakonti. I came close to becoming one of those who did not make it. Not because of lack of determination, but because of financial hardship. I had to work to survive. In my second year, just 2 months in my jobs, my partner told me something that changed the course of my life. Sabi ng partner ko, do not lose your scholarship. Resign from your work, focus on your study, and I will take care of the rest. It was a moment of grace I will never forget. By my third year college, the library had become my second home. While sitting in the library, after reviewing, I wrote magna cum laude in my diary, manifesting it through hard work, prayers, and the law of attraction. It was not merely a title I desired. I was commitment, and I made it. and I made myself. Sabi ko, sinulat niya po magna cum laude ket akong diary ado matulog ken library. That same year, I began writing this speech. Inumpisan ko na yung gawa ining speech ko. Long before I knew if I would ever have the honor to deliver it. By my fourth year, I spoke my goal with conviction. I told my family and my partner, if I am not the one standing on that stage to deliver the speech, I will not attend my graduation. It may have sounded bold, perhaps even unrealistic, but what others did not see was the weight of the journey behind those words. Walking 1 hour to school and 1 hour back home, living on 50 pesos a day and sometimes nothing at all, choosing whether to eat or save for school requirements. Sleepless night, silent sacrifice. There was a day I wore sunglasses in class, not for style, but to hide how tired I was. Kada akin na ako, Ma'am Lorna, na maka-sunglasses sa classroom, sabi na, nakatanaw, doon ka ka-review mo na eh. Because behind every effort I gave was a deeper purpose. Someone, somewhere, was working tirelessly, sacrificing their own comfort just so I continue education. And that is why ayoko sa salitang pwede na at ayoko sa salitang okay na to. Dahil naniniwala ako at minsan mo lang gagawin ang isang bagay, kaya bigay mo na lahat ng best mo. Give your 101 effort because prayer alone is not enough. A dream will remain a dream unless it is matched with discipline, sacrifice, unwavering effort. Faith must be accompanied by action. So every single day, habang naglalakad ako papasok ng school, I prayed, Lord, I will do my part. I will give everything I have. I entrust the rest to you. Ikay na pong bahala ka ako. And today, I stand before you, not with a sense of achievement, but with profound gratitude. I would like to express my deepest appreciation to Attorney Manuel M. Feliciano for the BOP scholarship that made it possible for me and my sister to pursue our education. Dakal-dakal po salamat, Attorney. Doc Hogel, to Ma'am Maylin, to Ma'am Mitch, and to Ma'am Mau and Mr. Harvest. Thank you for invaluable support. Dakal po salamat. To all my teachers, Ma'am Biba, Ma'am Shanice, Sir Nate, Ma'am Carla, Ma'am Lorna, Sir Jimar, and especially to our Dean, Ma'am Beth. Thank you for unwavering guidance, endless patience, and genuine care. And wholehearted support. Maraming salamat po. To my friends, we became family. Ate Ashley, Madam Eliza, Kois, Rodney, Rex, Vectrops. Thank you for constant support and encouragement. To Sir Jamar A. Lumut, who became like a parent to me. Your kindness and unwavering support will forever remain in my heart. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tulong. Saksi ka sa lahat ng journey ko. Thank you for always being there for me. To my family, Auntie Grace, Auntie Kuya Doc, Ate Dan, Kuya Dino, Kuya Dean, Ate Donna, Kuya Den, and Tina. Thank you for all your love and support. To my partner, Ian Michael Victory, thank you for believing me during the moment that I certainly could have taken over. Your support carried me through. This achievement is not mine alone. It is yours too. And to my parents, Ma, Daddy, this achievement is and will always be for you. I hope I made you proud. To my classmate, BSHMN, Alcaraz, Apolinar, Vitonga, Caliba, Kabiling, Tungito, Gonzales, Lopez, Macapagal, Pandis, Policarpio, Robles, Taala, Tuazon, Binida, and to all graduates, every sleepless night, every sacrifice, and every challenge. It was all worth it. We made it. And to all parents and guardians, this victory belongs to you as well. Nakal pong salamat kayo. If there is one message I wish to live with you, it is this. Be clear about what you want. Remain focused on your purpose. Give more than what is required. And place your trust in God, because one day you will realize what once felt impossible has become your reality. And today, I am no longer the girl in the audience. I am standing on this stage, and by God's grace, dati nangarap lang na maging magna cum laude ng dahil sa 101 effort, faith, and prayers. I am Titi Lynette Igbaldizon, your summa cum laude. Thank you.
Bagay niya, bagay. May aga nila. Marami nga magtampak siya rin.
Tears of joy. Tears of joy.
Sige, sige.
Tears of joy.
Ako, kaya takap sa prono ko.
Tears of joy. Wala pa kay Maria. Wala sa trono.
Sinungaling ka.
Kakauwi ko lang. Ay, black yun! Diyos ko!
Congratulations, Jun! Ang ka naman!
Baka!
Sasali mo to sa reels mo, ah.
Iba